Hey there, this is your Avon Lady, Chris Arnold, and I have your product picks for campaign 14 of 2020. And this campaign, we are debuting a whole new line of Avon Senses. So Avon Senses, of course, has been around forever. It's been a customer favorite for a long time. But over the years, we've been getting more and more requests for products without parabens and sulfates and mineral oils, silicones, phthalates, and even dye-free formulas. And we've also been getting some requests for some new scents. We had, for the last couple of years over the holidays, we've had some special bath and body collections that were different formulas from our Senses line, and those have been very, very popular for being a more luxuriant formula and having more modern scents that they have in them. So we decided to just completely redo our Senses line and bring those things that people have been asking for into this really popular line of bath and body products. So we still have shower gel, body lotion, and body mist in each fragrance, and we have 3 new fragrances. We have our fresh bergamot and wild mint, which this one is like a light, clean scent. Really, this is actually my favorite of the 3. Then we have the sparkling grapefruit and orange blossom, and it really is sparkling. It has that light, sort of effervescent, juicy smell to it. It's really, really nice, refreshing scent. And the cozy vanilla and coconut, and this is more of a creamy, warm, comforting scent, and it's got vanilla and coconut and even a little chamomile in it. So that's our new scents. And then, like I said, we've got more luxurious formulas, formulas formulated without a lot of the things that people don't want to have in their bath and body products, like parabens and sulfates. These ones don't have any mineral oils in them or silicone and phthalates, and they're all dye-free. So you notice our body sprays don't have like the color to them, like our old Senses line kind of had colors, like they were dyed to match sort of the scent that they had. So the cucumber and melon would be kind of green, the vanilla would have kind of a beige look to it, and the pomegranate mango would be pink. So now we've got these without any dyes in the shower gels, the body lotions, or the body mists. So so you can enjoy that a little bit more. Like I said, just less of the things that people are not wanting to have in their products as much anymore. So shower gel is twice the size of the old shower gel, and it's more of a creamy formula. It's not a super creamy body wash type, but it's a little bit creamier shower gel. And when it foams up, it's a very luxurious foam. It's not just suds. It's a nice foam, and you can take a little bit in a bath loofah, and it's enough for your whole body. So not only is there twice as much product in there, but you're not going to need to use as much. Which, you know, as we get more luxurious formulas of things, that's going to be a recurring theme, is that you're not going to need as much of the product as you used to. The new body lotion, it is thicker than the old Senses, not as thick as our limited edition body cream. So it is still a lotion. I'll give you an idea about how thick it is here. So that is obviously way too much for just the back of my hand. I will spread that a little bit on the back of the hand, but it's very nice, soothing feel to it. I'm actually just going to take the excess off on a tissue just because I don't want to get into putting lotion all on my arms right now while I'm in the middle of a video. But it's a nice, like I said, it's a bit heavier than the old Senses. So again, you're not going to need as much to get the same level of moisture as before. And now I wish I hadn't done that because I can do the back of my other hand. And if you're ever, hadn't ever heard this tip before, if you're putting lotion on your hands, you put some on the back of your hands and rub the back of your hands together, which distributes more of the lotion where you need it and less on the palm of your hands where you don't need as much. So there's your bonus tip of the day. But it's a richer formula, but not super heavy like a body cream. Let's see. So was there anything else? They are also a higher concentration of the fragrance compared to the original Senses line. So I notice I do still, I get to enjoy the smell all day. I didn't even layer my products the first time I used it. I just used the body lotion on my arms, and I still got a hint of the scent as I went through my day. I got, as I moved my arms around, I would get a little whiff of that, and that scent, it was a light scent, but it still stayed with me throughout the day, so it wasn't overpowering. So that's our new Senses line. Really much more upgraded, more luxuriant product. So really enjoying those and enjoying the new scents. We haven't had any new scents in the Senses line for quite a while. This campaign, our A box has moved to the middle of the book for the campaign. So if you're looking for that, it is toward the front of the book if you're actually in the brochure. And it is our vacation proof A box, which is this is the second campaign for this one. Our A boxes run for 2 campaigns now, but it is 4 full-size beauty products. You've got your Magic's Prime face primer, got your wash off waterproof mascara, my personal favorite, your Glimmer Sticks eyeliner in Blackest Night. That's the waterproof version because this is your vacation proof, your summer fun, and then the gel finish nail enamel in Mint to Be, which is a nice fun springy summery color there. So that is the A box for this campaign. And this campaign we also have a new fashion collection. You always know I love to get some of the new clothes, and this is in honor of spring and summer, of course, is the bright stuff. So we've got some nice beautiful bright pieces. I ended up picking out 2 pieces, one that I had mentioned back in our Campaign 12 video that I was planning to get one of the tops, and I also got this swing dress with pockets. And it's a short sleeve kind of t-shirt material dress, and hits a little bit below the knees. It's a great dress for lounging around the house. It does have pockets. It has patch pockets on the front, and where the pockets are, there's some seaming for shaping. There's sort of like the princess seam in there, and then they took advantage of that seaming and put the pocket there in between that and the side seam. Very comfortable, very nice fit. And like I said, it's like a t-shirt fabric, so great for lounging around the house. And I have a couple pictures where I'm actually wearing it. So let me go ahead and stop the video here, and then I'll put up the picture. So as you can see, very comfortable for just kind of lounging around the house and spending a day at home. But then you can also accessorize and dress it up for a day out and about, or even a little party look. And then this is the second item I got, the Eyelet top with Flutter Sleeve. That's great for summer. And this is a little bit heavier weight than the dress. It's also lined because it's eyelet, so it basically does have a bunch of tiny little holes all through it. We also have a nice lightweight mesh lining on the inside, so that gives you a little bit more modesty, because I know I tend to wear a cami or something, like to wear something under an eyelet top, so this way I don't have to. So it's a little bit heavier fabric than the dress, but it's still nice and light and breathable for the summer. And the Flutter sleeve it's a really cute detail. It's got a double sleeve, so you get a nice little fun flouncy movement on the sleeve there, and it's just kind of a nice swing top feel to it. It does have the stitching right at the top here, so you've got a top yoke on the front and the back there. And this is the black and white print, and it's got a little bit of golden brown details that I see. It don't really look like you can see them on the video. I couldn't really see them in the picture either, but it just kind of gives a little bit more dimension to the print. And then this also is available in 2 solid colors, the nice bright yellow and the really pretty coral. So lots of good choices there. And last but not least of the new items that we have this campaign, I have the Floral CZ Ring. We have some new items in our sterling silver collection. And very pretty. Hope we can get that to focus there for you. Nice big center stone, and then this really pretty, almost sort of scalloped edging around the outside. A nice delicate piece there. So you can see it's not really like a round halo. It's more of like little leaves around, which is where it gets the kind of floral CZ look. Grab this real quick and see if we can't get that to focus a little bit better for you. So you can see that. These fun little dainty pieces are always kind of hard to get the detail on the video there. But I'll see about maybe adding a close-up picture to that at the end of the video. And let's see, that's all that I have in the brochure. Didn't really pick an existing product this campaign. Just kind of reminding everybody that we do have now our Avon Defense products. So these are some of the things that people have been really looking for out and about in the stores, and sometimes are kind of hard to find. We do have the nitrile gloves and various different cloth masks available. So if you're advised to wear a cloth mask in your community, we have those available. We've got hand soap, bar soap, hand sanitizer back in our traditional cucumber, melon, and vanilla scents. Then we have some cleaning products for the home, and even a fabric refresher wrinkle releaser that's being added to our new home line. So these items aren't necessarily in the brochure, but they are available on my website, youravon.com/carnold. Or if you're one of my local customers, you can just ask me about these and I can get you the information on those. And let's see, in our little special sale flyer, so remember the little special sale flyer you can access on youravon.com/carnold. If you go to digital catalog, shop brochure, or view brochure, you can view the actual brochure online. So this brochure online rather than the new fun digital catalog, which I'll tell you a little bit about. You can view that and you can see these little sale flyers. And so my special that I want to highlight from this one is our Haiku fragrance. This is one of our top selling fragrances, Haiku. It's a nice, light, clean, fresh scent, and with a soft floral note to it. But we have this here paired with the Haiku body lotion, which is great for layering. That's going to, first off, moisturize skin, holds the scent longer, but layering your scent makes that last longer as well. And it's a two-piece set for only $16.99, which is a great deal, because usually the Haiku is on sale for $15.99, and then you add on to that the body lotion, which is a $10 value, for only $1. So great deal there in our sale flyer. And coming up in campaign 16, we are adding to our line of Cucina products. So this is our hand care for the kitchen, and it's our hand lotion. So it's in a nice big pump bottle hand lotion, which is nice and convenient to just have on the kitchen counter there. You've got your soap, you wash your hands, put a little lotion on, and so even though the Cucina hand soaps are more moisturizing, they don't dry your hands as much as other soaps, you do still need some hand lotion to replenish your hands after hand washing, especially, in the kitchen where we're washing our hands a lot. So I'm excited to add that. And it's in the same scent that we have in the soap. So it matches and you don't have the conflicting scents there. Did want to tell you about our new digital catalog. We've been looking forward to this for quite a while. It's a fun new way to shop. If you like to browse. This is not where you go if you're looking for a particular product. This is where you go if you want to see what's new, or if you want to see the products in a new way. So it's got fun new visuals. There's great videos to go with the products, and the products are kind of sorted by different categories, and they're just a kind of fun way. So you just go to the online store, youravon.com/carnold, click on digital catalog, and in the little menu there, and click on the big box for the digital catalog. One of my favorite features of the digital catalog is you can go into the digital catalog and you can scroll down and you can use our new virtual makeover tool. So you can actually take your mobile device, you can use your camera and try on new colors live. So you can try on foundations, lipsticks, blushes, eyeshadows, all different makeup products. You can virtually try them on live using your camera on your phone. You can upload a picture of yourself and try products on that picture. Or if you're not, if you already have all your makeup on, it's kind of hard to test the colors in that. or if you're just not in a place where you can use the camera, you can take one of our pictures. We have several different models with different skin colorings that you can use to kind of get an idea of what the colors will look on you. So it's a great way to maybe decide between two colors. It's really a great tool for picking out a foundation because you get to virtually try on the foundation. And I will tell you, I went through the tool and I have, you know, my color in all 5 of our foundation formulas. So our Magic's Tint, Magic's Wand, our Ink Lasting Cushion and Ink Lasting Liquid, and our Cashmere Complexion Foundation that I'm wearing today. I went through the tool and I checked all of my colors that I wear, and they all match perfectly on the tool just the way they do when I wear them. So very, very easy way now to match your foundation and makeup colors. So definitely a fun tool. And the other thing that I really like about it is with our new digital catalog, we also have a new promotion tool. So if you are registered on my online store, so if you either go in and create an account or you scroll down to the bottom of the page and click join our mailing list and submit your email address that way. If you are in my registered on my online store or have signed up for the email mailing list and that you have opted in to get the emails, I can now send you personalized promotions. So we have different offers that we can choose from each month that we can send out to our customers, but in order to, you know, to make sure that only the customers that a representative has chosen to share these offers with can redeem them, they are tied to your email address, like I said, that has to be registered at the website, and that you have to be logged in using that email when you use it. So if you have any questions about that or need any help getting your email registered for that so that you are able to get those promotional emails from me, just reach out. You know, you can reach out to me through Facebook at facebook.com/Chris Arnold Avon, also Chris Arnold Avon on Instagram and on YouTube, and I have the link to my contact information in the description for the video here. So I hope you're all having a wonderful, wonderful day, and I will see you again in a couple of weeks.